Hello, this is a review of the Suunto elastic strap. I'm a big fan of the Suunto Vector watch. I think it's a really useful watch, really easy to read. You can change the battery yourself and so forth. I'm really happy with it. What I wasn't happy with was the stock strap. The stock strap is like kind of like a rubber or rubberized type strap. I found it to be kind of uncomfortable, and since I got kind of an odd sized arm, one hole would be like too loose, and the other hole would be too tight. And if you've ever had any complaints like this, you know what that feels like. It's kind of a bummer because you can't get it to fit right. So what I did is I got myself the Suunto elastic strap. This is a wide elastic band that's available from Suunto, or at least it used to be. I don't know if it's still being made, but it's still available online anyway. And it mounts to the watch, and you just slip it over your arm. It has a buckle here. It is adjustable. I would say it fits probably from about 6 inch to about 8 or 8.5 inch arms. It's hard to say because it stretches. It's very comfortable indeed. You hardly even know you have a watch on when you've got this strap on. There's nothing to irritate you or anything like that. And another good thing is that there's really nothing to fail on it, since it's just elastic and the buckles are a strong plastic. When you get it, it comes with these two plastic pieces that you see attached to the watch with the screws right here. And you take your old strap off by unscrewing the tube and screws, and then you put that plastic piece through the rubber part that says Suunto right there, and then you put the tube and screw back in, and then screw everything back together. You do it for both sides. Now, this is really tricky to do yourself. You have to have two screwdrivers, and I generally mount the watch onto something. I used like a mug from the kitchen to put it around that to hold it steady. Well, I manipulated the screwdrivers. If you have a Suunto dealer in your area, I would recommend that have them install. Give them a couple bucks and have them install this band. It'll save you a lot of headaches. Or if you have someone to help you, that might be the way to go too, because it's a little bit easier when you got another hand to help you out. Overall, I rate this band very highly. It's extremely comfortable. It's adjustable. It's pretty much versatile for any size arm. And if you live in a climate like I do, where you have 4 seasons, and in winter you're wearing like heavy winter parkas or jackets, you'll be able to slip this right over the sleeve of your jacket. So if you need to check the time or check the barometer or the temperature and everything like that on here, or keep an eye on it, it's pretty easy to slip over a jacket, and it works that way pretty good. It's like a elastic material. I would imagine if it gets dirty, or if you sweat a lot and you want to wash it, you could probably just take it off and throw it in the washing machine. I'm sure it would just wash it up for you and clean it up. I don't see any problem there. The best price I was able to find for this online was $15, and I believe the list price is $20. I would do a Google or Bing search for Suunto elastic strap, and I'm sure a lot of choices will come up. Don't be confused, however, between elastic strap and elastomer strap. The elastomer strap is the standard strap that comes with the Vector, with the buckle and the holes. That's elastomer. You don't want to get another one of those if you already have one, obviously. This is actually an elastic strap, not elastomer. I just want to point that out because I don't want you to get the wrong thing. If you're unhappy with your band on your Suunto, or you want to try this, I recommend you check it out. I'm very happy with it, and this is going to be my standard strap for my Vector now. I'm going to keep it on here. There have been some reports that the piece that says Suunto on, it's kind of like a rubber material. There's some reports that after a year or so that begins to rip, and it rips through. I haven't had this very long, so I can't really say whether this is happening to me or not. But I would hope that this would not happen, that you would not go through a strap a year with these, but maybe some people are really rough on their watches, or they're catching their watch on something and pulling it hard or something like that. I don't know for sure. One last point is when you attach these plastic pieces that go through the rubber here, another option you have is if you don't want to use this strap, or if you want to try something different, you're free to use any other type of one-piece strap, such as a NATO strap, Zulu, Velcro straps, the band. Very many different types of straps will work once you have these plastic adapters installed. So you're probably opening up yourself up to try a lot of different straps by buying this. The other strap that Suunto offers that I have is the Suunto Velcro strap, and I may do a separate review on that. However, I'm not real super happy with that, and I think this is a lot better. So if you, sorry for running on so long, but if you have a Vector and you're unhappy with the stock strap, you may want to try this elastic strap. As always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you have any questions about this review or this strap or the Vector, go ahead and ask them, and I'll try to answer them for you. And thanks for watching my review.